Hi everyone, this is a short video on is the lodgement of income tax return mandatory. Some people say I've not worked, some people say I've done business income, some people say I only got Centrelink, and some people are scared if they lodge, they have a business income, they will be asked to pay too much tax. Well, the situation is you must lodge your tax return every year. It is not you're getting a refund or there is no refund or you have to pay tax. You must lodge it every year. It's a compliance issue. Now I've written few points. You must lodge it if it is above the threshold. So if your income is above the tax-free threshold, you must lodge it. You must lodge it if some tax has been deducted from your income. Let's say your income is 15,000. You say, oh, my income is 15,000 below the threshold, so I'm not going to lodge, but your tax deducted is $1, so you must lodge it in this situation. What happens if you do not lodge? If you do not lodge, ATO can do lodgement by itself. It's called after 1 or 2 years, you will get a letter from tax office that we have lodged your tax, something like that, and we have this income in our records, this is our assessment, this is the tax you have to pay. So my advice is, don't run from tax office, just lodge your tax return in time, whether it's a refund, whether it's no refund, or whether it's a tax payable. If it is tax payable, you can do installments, then tax office gives you some time to pay. It's not you have to pay entire amount, but my advice is you should pay. By law also you need to lodge and pay in time. Now if you do not lodge, then they will do default assessment number 1, and they put you very heavy penalty on the tax amount. There is also penalty of $850. That's the minimum penalty if you do not lodge your tax return in time. This is the minimum penalty. If you are a business and you have to pay higher tax or you have non-compliance issues, then they are going to charge you very high penalty. The most serious risk is the prosecution. You can be prosecuted also if you do not lodge your tax return in time. All right. Now, what if your income is below the threshold? Let's say your income is only 5,000 from Centrelink, or you only got 6,000 from interest, or you did not work at all. Do you still have to lodge? Well, in that case, you must lodge a non-lodgement advice. You can ring tax office. Sometimes they accept non-lodgement advice over the phone, or you can come to an accountant or do it yourself. It's called non-lodgement advice, that you are not lodging your tax return. Thanks for watching.